Uh, this is my logic part. Actually, I just thought about first how to work on the flow. So I just created some three pages for showing the list. This one is the first page, which is to-do list page. In this, I'm just taking the to-do list, calling which getting in this app.tsx. Here, this effect I have written, and passing that to-do list from here to the to-do list page. Okay. Now what is happening here? Uh, After adding these all, I'm just adding running a map here, as you can see, onto the card. I created a card component where I'm just adding all details of the card component data, showing the title part and tick and tick mark, as you can see here. This one, if the it is completed, it will be green. If it is not completed, it will be gray, and the color will be like this. If I talk about the tool detail page, which is here, and in this page I'm just added a edit button as well. See, as you can see here, this one is the edit page. If I'm going to clicking on edit, it will be enabled. Now I just want to show updating. If I'll click on save, what will it do? It will send a request, and on this it will show a loader as well as the task updated successfully message. As you can see here, I have written this. Yeah, task updated successfully, and if it's not showing, then it will give an error message as well. Now this one is the one condition. If I'll click on the cancel button, it will do nothing and it will be here. If I click on the delete button, what will it do? It will send a network request, a paper here. Task is successful. Please wait. You will be directed to the home page. As you can see in the code here, handle delete function is here. This one, handle delete function. Okay. Now, if I talk about adding a task here, so what I'm doing here, taking a title as well and the description of that task, whereas description is not shown, but I've just taken as an input where it is a dummy call, so I've taken description as well. If I'll not put any value, the add button will be not be enabled. I have to put some value here, like uh, I will want to study adding math. So while clicking on add, it will just get task added successfully. Just this all. Now, the code part. I just created a component folder here. Just created a hook folder, page folder, and util folder. Util folder just contains the URL, base URL, and under the hook part, I just calling created one hook, which is use API call.ts. Created multiple custom hooks inside this, passing as a return value. Here, you can see this. Created a multiple hooks like create to do task, which taking a parameter as ID, update to do task, which take ID, title, user ID, add to do task, these one. And this is the custom fetch hook, which is taking URL, body, and custom config as taught in the coding ninja part. I just if there is an available token, then we are adding it. If there is no token, like here it is no token, then what is happening? It's just passing the header part config and config. So if it's there, the body, we're just stringify it again and sending into the UI. If and it send us response via like this data. If it's success, it will return true. If not success, then it will return false. These all. Thank you.